The Titanic submersible with 5 passengers aboard met a drastic end after it went missing, and the search for it began 5 days back. The Titan sub was found in pieces from a catastrophic implosion that killed everyone aboard, the US Coast Guard said on Thursday. In a remote corner of the North Atlantic, a robotic diving vehicle deployed from a Canadian ship discovered a debris field from the submersible Titan. The vessel, which had limited oxygen supplies, had gone missing on Sunday morning while on a voyage to the wreck of the Titanic, an hour and 45 minutes into what should have been a 2-hour dive to the world's most famous shipwreck. Amid all this, the question that is looming in the minds of all is whether the bodies of the missing passengers can be recovered or not. Addressing these questions, the US Coast Guard said that the debris of the sub was discovered about 1,600 feet away from the bow of the Titanic, resting on the seafloor. 5 major fragments of the 22-foot Titan were located in the debris field left from its disintegration, including the vessel's tail cone and 2 sections of the pressure hull. The Coast Guard added that the bodies of the 5 passengers may never be recovered from the Atlantic. This is an incredibly unforgiving environment out there on the seafloor. The debris is consistent with the catastrophic implosion of the vessel. We will continue to work and search the area down there, but I don't have an answer on prospects at this time, said Rear Admiral John Moger of the US Coast Guard. The US Coast Guard is unclear whether the Titan imploded when the submersible first lost contact with its mothership. Sonar buoys had been in the water for the past 72 hours, and that they had not picked up any evidence of an implosion, suggesting that it had happened early on in the dive. Moger also stated that there was not any connection between the banging noises heard during the search and the location on the seafloor. However, a daily citing unnamed US defense officials said that the sound was picked up by a top-secret system designed to detect enemy submarines. The debris field was located in close proximity to the shipwreck, indicating that the failure of the Titan likely occurred towards the end of its descent on Sunday, as suggested by the timing of the last communication. OceanGate's founder and chief executive officer Stockton Rush, who was piloting the Titan, British billionaire Hamish Harding, 58, Pakistani-born businessman Shehzada Dawood, 48, and his 19-year-old son Suleiman, and French oceanographer and renowned Titanic expert Paul Henry Nargeolet, 77, were the 5 passengers aboard the Titan sub.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.